It is a position that's increasing in demand. Direct care workers are needed to care for the elderly and people with disabilities. Michigan State University researchers say the state needs about 40,000 more direct care workers to meet the needs of an aging population. One possible reason for that shortage is low pay. The average home health care worker in Michigan makes $11.58 an hour, according to the most recent federal data. Last week, lawmakers moved to remedy that issue by raising the direct care workers' wages by $2.25 an hour. The temporary increase is part of the state's pandemic response. Some say that's not enough. State Senator Jeff Irwin would like to see that base wage for those workers go up to $15 an hour.
Every one of us as taxpayers ought to be embarrassed by it. These people are doing public work on behalf of the people to care for our most vulnerable folks, and we don't treat them with respect.
President and CEO of the Healthcare Association of Michigan, Melissa Samuel, agrees, saying pay is only one part of the equation and more should be done to find and retain these workers.
Making a career path for them, I think that's also critically important. And there's a couple things that we as an association are working on. There's some legislation that we have.
The Healthcare Association of Michigan represents about 35,000 workers in the direct care field. The organization is working to create apprenticeships and skill development opportunities for people who would like to become certified. Samuel says many companies pay higher wages for workers with more certifications.
Really need to focus on to attract individuals into the profession, make sure they're getting good wages, and make sure that there's a strong career path for them as well.
The current pay increase is in effect until the end of September, but not everyone is thrilled with this effort. Critics of the move say that it will cost the state too much money, and that money can be used for other things like improving roads. Your neighborhood state capitol reporter, Erica Murphy, Fox 47 News.